Welcome to another road trip. Dilim pa. Nauna na po sila. Hiding in the Waddell neighborhood of Verrado, Victory Stairs is a fun yet challenging adventure for the whole family. This 300 plus step staircase ascends nearly 200 feet high, seemingly to lead straight up into the heavens. Even from a distance, one can clearly see the stairway snaking up the hill. The trail is only 0.2 miles long, but it definitely packs a punch despite the minimal length.
Nasa taas na kami.
Nasa taas na kami. Sa likod nyo. Sa likod mo. Sa likod nyo.
Ayun na, naabutan ko na po si Madam. Oh, di ba may pataas pa eh. Hi. Like and subscribe. Flat iron. Over there. Si Madam. Ala, lapit nila sa city. Upon reaching the summit, there are additional hiking trails you can embark on beyond the staircase itself. Just look at the mountain view on the horizon. Breathtaking sights are everywhere you look up here.
Kanya-kanyang start, kanya-kanyang street. Dapat dyan pala.
Tama ba yung pwesto ko dito, te? Or move?
Ay, hindi. True hike road trip. Joke lang. Ang tagal mo naisip ah. Sabi ko, hike road trip bigla. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
Ayun na oh.
Aba!
Ayos. Yay!
Kaya nga, wala naman tayo picture ng tubig.
Yeah.
Ang bilis na.
Ay, nasa atin siya.
Ang grabe.
Do you like the pancit?
Yeah.
And the lumpia? Egg roll. Egg roll.
I think. Puto.
No, she's the hostess.
Oh, really? Why?
No, it's puta.
That's that word. Puto.
So, puto is a male.
She didn't get me any.
Wala raw Bicol Express.
Like with a building and a mountain.
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 The Tempe Butte is the official name of an andesite butte of volcanic origin, located partially on Arizona State University's Tempe campus in Tempe, Arizona. The Tempe Butte is often referred to by locals as A Mountain, after the 60-foot tall gold-painted letter A near the top. Another name for the area used by the city of Tempe is Hayden Butte. This 0.9-mile out and back trail is generally considered an easy route, as it takes an average of 31 minutes to complete. This is a very popular area for walking, so you'll likely encounter other people while exploring. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. Dogs are welcome but must be on a leash. Cheers, guys. Team New Mexico. Team New Mexico. Hello. Surprise.
Hindi niya masipag. Ano, nakaaway-away sa overtime ang
Ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda ng tuson. Iba talaga ang tuson pag ano? Pag nandito ako. Joke lang. Yay! Yay! Video. Baliktad naman to.
TikTok naman tayo.